Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This is a quote by Duke Ellington. A believer is an optimist who thinks of tomorrow. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 70, NASDAQ up 64, S&P's up 13.5, gold contract down $3.60, trading at $1,143 an ounce. Silver down 8 cents at $14.96 an ounce. Platinum down 11 at $10.10 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 43 cents at $50.98 a barrel. Bonds, you have the 10-year down 5 ticks, 126.05. 30 up 16, 151.11. They both want higher price, lower yield. King dollar up 511 ticks at 97.79. The euro down 74 at 108, and the yen up 37 at 124.14. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now let's go over to the world of Google, because Google just came out with numbers. Google closed at 601. It's trading at 644. This is how the numbers go on Google. The estimate was $6.73. They made $6.99. I believe the gross numbers are down, which is kind of intriguing. The cost per click was down 5.1%. The paid clicks, however, were up 14.1%. Bottom line is that what you have is this. Google is trading 644, and what you're going to see there, if we put this on a monthly basis, if Google does get this volume tomorrow, and in fact you're still at these levels, that Google is going to go after a B point of a very large ABC on the way up. 615.03 on a monthly basis is the B point. 40 million shares is the number. You know, we're at 23 million right now, so depending on how Google attacks, price-wise, Google has it right now. There's no two ways about it. We'll see if, in fact, it comes through volume tomorrow, and if, in fact, that price holds. But bottom line is that, and if it does, it's going to be pretty amazing, because this was definitely, what does happen, ABC structures on the way up or the way down are straight line moves. And, Google had a straight line move when it started October of 2013. Google was at 421. Runs up to 615. That's almost a straight line move. The largest straight line move actually is going all the way back to July of 2012. That was 281, and that 281 took you to 315. So what are we talking there? That's 335 points. That'll get you, my God, that'll get you about an 800 Google. So bottom line is that if that baby does get over there tomorrow with volume, there's real juice behind the move. Let's go and take a look at the SPY, the S&P. With the markets up so dramatic, SPY still hasn't been able to get in, up, and over these highs. And it does have a contraction of volume. We'll see how this shakes out tomorrow. The SPY was up $1.66. We're at 212.27. The high is 213.78. Bottom line, we'll see if it can make it up there tomorrow. The NDX 100 did break out this morning. The 3 Qs closed at a price point of 111.94. Right now you're trading at 112.21 because, of course, with the NDX 100, you have Google putting juice into that NDX 100. That the high that it was taken out is 111.16. And it didn't take it out with volume, but price-wise, no doubt that you're going to see more expansion out here tomorrow morning if, in fact, Google holds overnight as they get into this conference call. The small caps, what do we have with the small caps? Small caps still can't handle it. Small caps going into the downdraft that was created out there on the 29th, and, no traction. So the 29th, folks, of June on the small caps. The high there is 127.07. We hit 126.74 today. Just can't handle it, can't handle the price, can't handle the volume, can't handle all of the above. So that's pretty wild watching that shake out. In particular, watching it shake out when you have the NDX 100 breaking out. And in Europe today, the divergence out here today, and certainly in the S&P and the Dow, was that you had Europe strong all day long. And in our markets, the only thing we had strong was the NASDAQ. If you take a look at the Dow Industrials trading out at 18,120. Bottom line, you get the highs up here of 351. Not that that's a long way. It certainly isn't a long way. Gold contract. What do we have with gold now? Check it out. So we're going to be committed to a Friday. Always dangerous in the gold market. They haven't been able to spike gold into lower price. There's no doubt that you've had a continual downdraft in gold. In the last, 3 months, we've just gone from 1220 to 1143. Each and every last 5 or 6 days, they've tried to spike it into the lows, and bottom line, each and every day you have lighter volume, and it keeps rejecting that lower price. We need buyers in the market, no doubt. We closed out today at 1143.70. It got as low as 1140.60. The spike low that's out there on the March 17th area is 1143.50. So it got under that, closed above it. That's saying, once again, bottom line is that, it's rejecting lower price. Now what do we need? Bottom line, you need volume coming in the market with price in order to get to higher price. If we go take a look at the bond market, you talk about, this is pretty wild, watching this bond market. So if I put up the 30-year, when you see this is just amazing. Bonds absolutely refuse to die. 30-year right now is at 151.10. It's been building cause since the lows that were established in June. And the yield wants to go lower, bonds want to go higher. We go over to the 10-year, we take a look at the 10-year, same type of setup inside the 10-year. And I guess the key is going to be, why are folks still piling into this? My take is that, of course, money is coming out of, money wants to be safe, let's put it that way. 10-year, right now at 126.05. Wants to go to 127, would like it's going to go to 130. The yield on the 10-year right now is 2.354. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back with some more numbers for you. Dow Industrials up 70, NASDAQ up 64, S&P's up 12.5. We're going to be right back.